This protocol uses origami-like self-folding methods to create 3D graphene-based polyhedrons. Two-dimensional graphene sheets possess extraordinary optical, electronic, and mechanical properties. By tailoring the shape of two-dimensional graphene, its physical, chemical, and optical properties can be tuned, which can introduce new material behaviors, allowing new application opportunities. In this regard, integrating 2D graphene into the structures of functionalized, well-defined, three-dimensional polyhedrons has been of great interest recently in the graphene community.
3D graphene polyhedrons may be beneficial for many applications. Examples include gas and water protected containers, molecular storage, delivery systems, encapsulation of liquid-based materials, for in situ observation in electron microscopy, functional optoelectronic devices, and metamaterials.
A number of chemical routes for the production of 3D graphene-based structures have been introduced. However, these methods typically require strong chemical reactions which affect the intrinsic properties of the graphene and present challenges in the construction of freestanding, hollow 3D graphene polyhedrons. To overcome these limitations, this study shows a methodology for realizing multi-faced 3D microcubes with 2D graphene and graphene oxide by using origami-like self-folding. To help give context to the overall fabrication process of the 3D graphene-based cubes, a simplified 6-step overview will now be introduced prior to the detailed protocol. First, prepare the protection layers. Then perform graphene membrane transfer and patterning onto the protection layers. Then create metal surface patterning on the graphene membranes.